Welcome to Techie Dialogue, where today we will learn how to clear Google Gemini cache to improve performance and fix any loading issues. In this video, I will show you a simple way to clear Gemini's cache without affecting other websites. Step 1. Open Google Gemini in your browser and click the lock icon or the site settings icon located at the far left of the address bar. This is important because it takes you to the menu where site-specific data is managed. Step 2. Select Cookies and Site Data, or Site Settings depending on your browser. Then click Manage On-Device Site Data to see all stored information for Gemini and Google. This helps you identify the data that needs clearing. Step 3. Click the trash icon next to entries for gemini.google.com and google.com. Remove cached files while keeping other accounts and sites untouched. Step 4. Reload the page to apply the changes. Now Google Gemini will load fresh data, improving speed and resolving any potential issues caused by outdated cache. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech tutorials.